Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be upgrading my PS4 Pro Monster Hunter World Special Edition console. The reason I'm doing this is PS5 right now is just crazy expensive. I just thought in order to keep up with the times, let's install an SSD into this bad boy. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, from here, make sure you connect your external hard drive, at least 1 terabyte, because we're going to be backing up this 1 terabyte that was existing, that came with the PlayStation 4 Pro onto here, and then once we put in the new, we'll pop it back all onto the new. To do this on the PlayStation, you'll go all the way to settings, and from settings go all the way down to system, and in system you should find backup and restore. What we want to do is back up everything to the external. We're at the end of the backup complete. Let's shut down the PlayStation. Now that we've got the PlayStation software onto the new SSD, now let's restore all the old data back on. And there you have it, guys. Everything is restored back to what I had it. I'll do a couple of games to test speeds